Okay, I lied. I figured I'd just take y'all on my walk with the dog. See, there's my dog. So, don't worry, I'm not going to show you any business she does. This ain't that kind of movie. But, figure, you know, let you see the elements. Blowing pretty good right this minute. They'll slow down. They'll pick back up. It'll slow down, pick back up. At least it's not like beating against the house like it was earlier this morning. At like 2 or 3. The wind was so bad. Oh, yeah. I was gonna show you a good... Okay, there you go. See? There's the flag. It needs to be taken down. I would do it, but you know, nosy neighbors. So, but that's our only issue right now is the wind. So, I hope this piece of foam muffles some of it. I don't think it's doing that well though. And you're pointed straight at the wind, so yeah. I'm surprised that sign's still standing. These for sale signs normally get white as dust. It's been blowing like 40s and 50s, you know, all day yesterday and this morning. There's one that fell down, but it's been down for like 2 weeks now. I mean, how are people gonna know this place is for sale if the sign's laying down? Well, this is where I usually turn around to go back home. This stop sign. I'm getting a couple drops of water on me, but not bad. Big old cactus over there. There's those trees I showed you in an earlier clip. Wow, you could just... yeah, you can see it a little bit. Whenever the wind comes, you can actually see it's like waves in the grass. Not really on the video, but I can see it. It's pretty cool. The sign's fluttering a little bit. There we go. Well, it's not as bad as it is sometimes when you see some of the video clips from hurricanes, but you know, that's really a good thing. Neighbor's dog inside's yapping his head off because we're outside near his house. See, it slows down, and here in a minute or so it'll pick back up. So, you know, I never thought about it, but it'd be nice to have one of those shoulder mounts or whatever they use, you know, professional photographers, not photographers, you know, I guess videographers. You know, they always have the camera on a mount and keeps it from shaking whenever they walk. There's that ratty flag again. The yellow car is actually parked out. Stop moving. The yellow car's usually parked over here, but I guess they moved over there behind their RV, thinking to protect it some. I mean, it is a soft top convertible. The guy had a tarp on his car, but you know, the wind blew it off. So, God, that's just ridiculous. I mean, my dad's been in the military, or is in the military. My grandfather was. He passed away a few years back, but you know, I was in junior ROTC all through high school, so you know, I know what you're supposed to do with the flag, and during the storms you're supposed to take them down. I mean, you really don't deserve to put a flag up if you don't know proper flag etiquette. You know, that's just my opinion on it, though. But you see those little, I guess they're palm trees. I'm not exactly sure what they are. Yeah, they're blowing pretty good. That sign, I think it's been laying down for a while now. Could have blew over with the wind. I don't know, that one always falls down. Always. So, our mailbox is still standing, surprisingly. So, like I said, not too much damage, just some limbs being knocked off the trees, and you know, it's really about it. Everyone took all the loose furniture inside their houses or put in their storage sheds or whatever. Well, I'm going to head in now, so I'll be back later with more updates. If it gets bad again, I'll record that, so that'll do it for now. Alright, it's about 9 o'clock in the morning. Still windy, drizzling, or not really drizzling, just a couple raindrops here and there. But I got the plastic back on the camera just in case, you know, a good spurt of rain comes. You know, because like I said, it's been coming in waves. Well, not lately, but yesterday it was, so who knows. I'm tired. I'm waiting for, hopefully, the grand finale. But until then, I'm just gonna relax, watch some TV. I figured I'd show you what other debris there was. There's a couple sticks there, but I think those were already there. Yeah, this right here came from way up there somewhere. So those keep getting knocked off. There's another one, one more. Like 3 right there. Another one over there. All these sticks in our yard. Our yard was completely clean of sticks. There were no sticks in the yard because, you know, stepdad's kind of OCD about that, and he always cleans up the yard every time he comes back from work. So that's the original one I showed you the other day, or yesterday. But I laid the ladder down. It was leaning up against the house there, but didn't want it to fall over just in case the wind got bad, which it has been. Okay, you see that thing up there on top of the roof? I'm not sure what it's for. I mean, normally they put it like over a stove or something like that, but that's a storage shed. Maybe a dryer? I'm not sure. Or ventilation. That thing has been spinning consistently. It's got a freaking stick against it, so you know, it's like putting a trading card into your tire spokes, and it just, you hear it consistently. It's kind of annoying. There's a few more of those pine needle bunches over here, but that's about it. Nothing major. I mean, nothing really at all, nothing new. So, it's about over. A few more hours. Should be done by about 4 or 5 this afternoon. And then the winds will die down to about 20 miles per hour. And, the gust will probably be up to about 30, but no more than this 40 miles an hour sometime after 2 or 4. So, like I said, it should be done here pretty soon. That's about it. I want to try to get some of these on YouTube before, you know, it's too late, before people lose interest. I'm working on that now, but YouTube's only got that 15-minute maximum on their videos. So I have to go through and divide up each video clip, each of these 5 or 2 or 3-minute video clips. So that takes a little bit of work. See the trees rocking over there, being blown around. But like I said, it's about done. Might get a bit more rain, a bit more wind later. Supposed to have some strong gust, but I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. But alright, that's it for now.